name is Dr. Esther Trufan, and in this video, I am going to demonstrate a kinetics experiment in which we're going to use a blue food dye solution. I already transferred some of it into a beaker, and I have the associated syringe. We will also be using bleach that I already transferred into a beaker, and I have the associated syringe. And finally, because we will be diluting the amount of blue food dye, I also have some deionized water and a syringe that I use exclusively for deionized water. Because we will be monitoring the disappearance of the blue color, we will be using a spectrometer today. This is our vernier spectrometer, and this is the associated connected device. To perform the experiment, we will need a clean and dry cuvette, in which first we're going to put our blue food dye solution, then the water. And when our cuvette is in the spectrometer, then we will add the bleach. So once the addition is complete, we can start our data collection. So to set everything up, we're going to go to our connected device, click Untitled, New Experiment. We're going to not save any previous work. We go to Absorbance, then to Versus Time Kinetics. Press that. We need to select our wavelength, which today, because we're using the blue food dye, is 630 nanometers. If you are using a different food dye, that number may be different. Then we press Done, and we are in data collection mode. So now we can start adding things to our cuvette. The first thing we're going to add is 0.75 milliliters of the blue food dye solution. Then we're going to add 0.75 milliliters of the deionized water. Then we place it in the spectrometer with the clear sides facing the white arrow and the white light bulb. And then we take our bleach and extract 1.5 milliliters from it. Once we are ready, we place our syringe with bleach on top of the cuvette and press it rather quickly in there, put the cap on top and press collect. At that point, the data collection will commence. Now, some of these kinetics experiments may be very quick. So if you need to be a little faster, that's okay. You may put on the cap a little bit later and press the connect button first, depending on how much time it takes for you to transfer your bleach into the cuvette at that time. The data collection will take approximately 10 minutes. It may be a little more or a little less, depending on which of your ingredients is present in the larger quantity. A good rule of thumb is to wait until at least 3 or more of your numbers are identical and they are as small as they can possibly be.